To change the screen lock type on your Android phone, we'll first go to Settings. And from there, I'm going to scroll down to Security and Privacy. If you're on a Samsung phone, you'll find this under Settings and Lock Screen and AOD. Or, depending on your phone, it might be labeled just Lock Screen. Once I'm in the privacy settings, I'll go to Device Unlock, and I'll see all unlock options for my phone, ranging from screen lock options to fingerprints and face recognition. I'm going to take a look at the screen lock settings, so I'll tap that, and then authenticate with my PIN code, which is what I'm currently using for screen lock. Here I can choose a new screen lock method, and there's a handful of them to choose from. You could set this simply to none, which means there's no lock screen and you'll always see the home screen first thing when waking up your phone. The swipe option is similar, zero security involved, but that one does show a lock screen, and you'll swipe on the lock screen to access your home screen. But like I said, those top two options have zero security, and anyone can unlock your phone when it's set to either one. The pattern option is interesting because it allows you to draw a pattern between 9 dots on your screen, and that pattern in that particular order will be how you unlock your phone. Kinda cool, and maybe works better for some people that are more visual and struggle when it comes to memorizing numbers and codes. The bottom two options are straightforward. PIN is a code consisting of numbers, 4 numbers minimum, but a lot of devices allow you to set up to 17 digits if you want to make it longer and more secure. Samsung actually lets you type up to 256 digits, which is kinda crazy, but I bet it's secure. The password option is similar to PIN, but this can contain letters and numbers, and you can have uppercase and lowercase letters and even special characters mixed in. Limited to 17 digits on my phone, but that should be plenty for a secure password or passphrase. And that's how you change the screen lock type. Drop a comment if this helped and subscribe on your way out. I post similar, simple, and easy guides almost every day. Thanks all. Until next time.